I'm so excited to share the story of this succulent with you guys today. So this is a succulent that I ordered from Lula's garden, and I actually gave it to a friend of mine for her birthday about 9 months ago. So this is an Echeveria colorata from one of the Lula's gardens. And the great thing about Lula's garden is they package their succulents in a way that they arrive in like perfect condition. So it has a little lid and it's just packaged really, really well. And it's planted in this container that allows people to keep it inside without worrying about anything coming out the bottom. It's just a great gift, a really nice alternative to like a cut bouquet of flowers. Super easy to send, great prices, and they look awesome. So I gave this to a friend of mine for her birthday, and I told her to water it with a little dropper that came with it, to put in a couple droppers full of water about every 3 to 4 weeks. I knew it was going to go in an area of her house that does not have a lot of light. It basically has no direct sunlight. So I was curious to see how it would survive. One of the things that I have found about succulents is they can grow without very much light as long as they don't have very much water. So if you're not watering very often, they're not going to grow very fast, and that way they also don't stretch very much. So you can see here that there's not a lot of stretching here, whereas normally an Echeveria that's been grown indoors without a lot of light is going to get really tall and leggy. Now it has lightened up in the center a little bit, but still really nice compact shape. So just watering this with a few droppers full of water every 3 to 4 months, this is what it looks like after 9 months. Isn't that amazing? And it's still growing, it's still healthy, and it's doing great. And she loves it. It's so low maintenance. So if you're looking to grow succulents indoors and you want to grow an Echeveria, make sure that you have it planted in a good container and just put on enough water to get the soil wet, but not to get it like super soggy. And just, a couple droppers full of water would be enough, and do it every 3 to 4 weeks. And this is what it will look like. And she could actually get away with watering this less. Like even right now, you can see if I kind of gently try and squeeze the leaves, there's not a lot of give. There's a lot of resistance. So this thing is still pretty plump and full and does not need to be watered right now. So it could go quite a bit longer in between waterings. So this is why it's really important to pay attention to your climate, how you want to care for your succulents, and look at the signs that the leaves are giving you in terms of whether or not it needs more water or less water. So the downside is this is not going to grow and get bigger, but the great thing is it's a live plant and it's growing well in an area with hardly any light. So next time you are looking for a gift for a friend, definitely check out Lula's garden, and you can feel confident knowing that if they just follow that schedule of watering it every 3 to 4 weeks with a couple droppers full of water, even an Echeveria like this will do well indoors.